Where are we at, buddy? Say hello. Where are we at?
Hello.
Oh, hold on. Hello.
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. No, where are we at?
At the farm.
At the farm?
At the farm falls.
Was there a waterfall over there?
Yes, there is.
And then is there a waterfall over here?
Yes, there is.
Oh, we're going to show people our waterfalls and how beautiful it is out here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's feel it, Daddy.
Let's do what?
Feel it.
Feel it. Feel the water. What?
Daddy.
We'll take them over to the other waterfall.
Sharks in here.
Sharks? No.
Is there any alligators?
Alligators?
Is there any crocodiles?
Crocodiles?
I said electric eels.
Electric eels? No.
Is there anything?
There's rattlesnakes out here. Be careful on these rocks. You gotta be careful, guys. Hey, old fall. Whoa. Yeah, buddy.
How hot is it?
How what?
How high is it?
It's pretty high, buddy.
Let's feel it.
How are we gonna get over here? Watch out. It's really slippery. It's really slippery. Watch out. Scoot back. Scoot back.
Go up.
Get over here.
I did
Hold on.
that.
Hold on. Remember.
See, there's a little tiny pond.
Yeah. Hold on. Watch out. Whoa. You guys, it's slippery. Yeah, you're gonna fall on your butt, buddy. Can't get a good picture of that waterfall, but you can go over here. Yeah, buddy. You want to say hey to everybody? Hold on. You want to say hello? Everybody. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
They were having fun out at our.
At Niagara Falls.
Oh yeah.